What's up, lovely people? This is nijohn. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another Tutorial Tuesday video. So in today's video we will learn how to plan YouTube videos. Like, as a beginner YouTuber, you just have to keep in mind at the beginning we should not make very lengthy video unless the content is very exciting. So let's learn how we should plan our video. Keep watching. So whatever niche you are making video about, so you can follow these few steps that we're going to discuss now. This will help to plan your video and create content in a very disciplined way. You know, after all these years, whatever we have learned, so this made sense to me, and whatever I'm gonna share now, if it makes sense to you, you can start utilizing this, for your next video. Let's divide the entire content into 4 sections. The first section would be max about 10 to 15 seconds, and this is the most crucial part, because within this 10 to 15 seconds you need to hook the audience with your video. It's like the audience should clearly get to know from this 10 to 15 seconds that what they will get from your video. So the exciting things you'll have to do within this first 10 to 15 seconds. If you are a travel blogger, you can show all these exciting fun moments that happened during your trip within this 15 seconds. So at a glance, you need to keep in mind these 15 seconds you'll have to make it very, very interesting so that audience will hook up and watch the entire video. So after first 10-15 seconds, now you can have like 3 to 5 seconds intro. So it is good to have your channel logo and a tagline and have that intro. So max 5 seconds. Don't make the intro too long. Okay, now the main content. After intro, you get into the main content. Here also you'll have to tell the story so precisely. Instead of making the video too long, whatever this video is all about, so in the main content area you should tell the story very precisely. And storytelling is a skill, we all have to learn that. So after the main content area, last is that end screen, right? So you have 20 seconds time. So within this 20 seconds time, you will have to ask your audience to like, comment, subscribe, and you also can add multiple videos on the end screen. So that will also help your channel to grow. And remember one thing, if you do not ask, you do not get. So it is always recommended that end of your video you can ask people to like, comment, and subscribe to your channel. This is a very short video, so I just wanted to talk about these few points. So hope this video helps you, and if it does, do not forget to like, comment, and share with your friends whom you think this content will be very helpful for. So that's all. Thank you once again for watching this. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. That will help me to create more videos. See you in the next video. Cheers.